Meaning of demarcation.
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 Demarcation. Demarcation refers to the act of setting boundaries or limits between different things or areas. It can be used in a variety of contexts, such as marking the borders between countries or defining the line between two opposing views or ideas. The result of demarcation is typically a clear and defined separation, which can help to prevent confusion, misunderstandings, and conflicts. Demarcation is important in many fields, including geography, politics, science, and technology, and it enables us to better understand and navigate the world around us.